Hello, it's Thursday, March 16th. I'm back here out on the deck in Serene Lakes near Donner Pass, California. So we're looking at the snow out here on my deck. It's the heavy, slushy snow from the latest atmospheric river storm, and I've started digging it out. Another thing I have to do is, since this is heavy, slushy, icy atmospheric river snow, I've got to pre-break it up before I shovel it. So yeah, just to reiterate, the manual method is just a matter of lifting up the snow and catapulting it over the edge. Alright, so we made some progress on the deck by doing the catapult action over that little hump there. And I've also got the issue of the hot tub. What am I going to do with that snow? And also the cornice situation. So I've prepped it out. The plan is, as before, I'm going to come over behind it. I've built some stairs. I'm going to step up there and then do the catapult technique.